Mark. This is California, back wide.
Yes, sir. It's working. My conditions dropped out.
Hey, Station 1, Jimmy Good out there. Bump, bump. 007, you got on record. Back.
I think it shifted out west. Okay, climber. Blackie over here. Bye-bye. Yeah, about 007, Stepping Stone, Hawaiian Islands. I guess no get back, 007, Northern Cal, Stepping Stone, and Islands. Back reading.
Stepping Stone, 007, Holy Desert, California. In the moon, bumping it down to that Stepping Stones out there in the Big Island. Yeah, right there, right back, man. I guarantee most of you, you're most definitely behind the Velvet River. Hey, I don't know what you did, but you got a VIP pass, and you're most definitely behind the Velvet Rope.
Okay, 007, Hollow Point, I heard you there, but Hollow Point got up on you. Okay, 007, take care. Sounds like you need a cough drop, Stepping Stone Island. Back reading.